Hello and welcome to my tutorial video on how to create a new user in Ubuntu. Adding a new user can be useful if multiple people use the same computer or if you want to create a user with limited privileges. Here's how you can create a new user in Ubuntu. Open the terminal by either using the application menu or pressing the Ctrl+Alt+T key combination. Type the following command to create a new user, sudo adduser username. Replace username with the desired username for the new user. You'll be prompted to enter and confirm a password for the new user. You can also add the new user to specific groups by adding the groups to the end of the command. For example, to add the new user to the sudo group, use the following command, sudo adduser username sudo.